Hello, future Hawks. Today we are going to go through the tutorial for Scholar and Hawkmail. Many of you may have received an email with your new ID number in it, and these two accounts will become very important to you as you begin your time here on the Hill. And so I wanted to go through each of these sites so there wouldn't be any confusion, or at least decrease any confusion that you may have. So to begin, open up your Chrome website. It doesn't matter what your homepage is. And then come up to the top and type in scholar.shorter.edu and click enter. Now you'll notice up at the top there is the ID and password blocks, but this is not where you put your ID number in. You will want to go to the left-hand side under Quick Links and click Activate Account. You can read through the instructions, but you can scroll down to Reset Password or Activate Account. And then this is where you enter your ID number. So whatever it may be, you can type it in, and then you will hit Continue. On the next page, it will show some challenge questions, and please be sure to answer those, as they will come in handy if you have to reset your password, and it makes it easier for our IT department to help reset your password. So be sure to complete those and don't skip that step. And then you should be able to reset your password in a sense, since you did not log in with a password. You can create whatever this password may be as long as it meets the requirements that it asks for, and then this will become your new Scholar password. If it does ask for a current password in order to change for your new password, put in your birth date. That should be the original password in a sense, even though you didn't log in with a password. And so once you get through all of that and get back to the homepage, you have officially activated your Scholar account. And you'll notice up here that more tabs will become available, and there will be some important tabs up here that will matriculate over time, that will become very important to you as you begin your semester here next fall. Now, for your Hawkmail account, go back to the homepage of Scholar, and you'll notice under the quick links there it says Hawkmail. Click this, and it will take you to a Gmail login. And you'll notice the website is already formulated for you, so all you'll have to do is type in your name, and it will be your first name dot your last name. So let's just say, for instance, we'll type in Hannah dot Messer. And then it will become hannah.messer@hawks.shorter.edu. And this will become your new email for Shorter. And this will become the primary contact for us to get in touch with you regarding any updates you may need to know, orientation, classes, anything like that. But it will also be what financial aid may contact you on with any updates to your financial aid package. Your professors will contact you on this, and you'll get some important information from Shorter on this email. So go ahead and try and get in the habit of checking this at least weekly right now. It's not as important to check it every day. But once you are on the Hill for school, you'll want to begin checking that at least every day, if not every other day, to make sure you're not missing anything important. So once you type in your name in the email, you'll hit next, and it might ask you for a password. This password will be the Scholar password that you just created. So hopefully it all matches up. Make sure it does. If it gives you an error message saying that is not the correct password, you can do one of two things. You can try your birth date to see if that will trigger it, or you can contact the admissions office or your personal admissions counselor, and we can try and figure out what is going on so we can get your Hawkmail activated for you. But once you activate both Scholar and Hawkmail, you'll be good to go. I would highly encourage you guys to make each of these a bookmark on your internet browser I think over in Chrome, you can click here and it says bookmark. And so you can bookmark this page, and so it will pop up across the top here, so it's easy access whenever you log into your browser. But again, if you have any questions or issues with activating either of these accounts, please contact the Office of Admissions and we will try to take care of it as quickly as possible.